Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning up our kitchen. So I'm just going to go ahead and make a little cleaning relaxing video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Here you see me putting a couple of stuff in the refrigerator after breakfast, and then I'm gonna go ahead and move on to washing the dishes. So I hope this video motivates you guys. If you guys are new over here, I'd love to have you click that subscribe button if you enjoy watching content like this, and let's go ahead and get started.
You're my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
So here I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the filter of my dishwasher, and I typically don't do this very often like I should. I always forget to. So I was just wanted to say, if this is a little reminder, if you guys have forgotten about washing or cleaning out the filter area, now is a good time.
With you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll.
So now I washed it, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly place it back in, and then I'm gonna start hand washing my dishes. So since my recent kitchen makeover where we switched our countertops and my sink, I now have just that one whole bowl sink and not the double sink anymore. So our plan here in our house is that we hand wash our dishes and put them in a dishwasher to rinse, because I really like to have them rinse in the dishwasher since it can also dry and then they're ready to be used or put away, besides having to hand wash, rinse, and then dry them to put them away. So if you guys are ever wondering like if it's a good idea to have a dishwasher, in my opinion it is. We also use the dishwasher sometimes to wash dishes, but lately we've been doing the wash by hand, rinse and dry in the dishwasher. So yeah, I just wanted to share that little tip with you guys. Or if you guys are noticing that I'm just washing and no rinsing is happening, and it's because of that, because they are going to be rinsed in the dishwasher. Plus I like to have my dishes dried with heat, so that's why I enjoy putting them in the dishwasher for that.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya.
And if you're ever wondering if I enjoy my whole sink or if I miss my double sink, I definitely do not miss my double sink. I really love this one. Plus it's extremely deep, and then as you can tell, it comes with this little metal like a fruit rinser or dish strainer, and then it also has this bamboo board that came with it as well. So those came out just like super helpful. Here you guys see my son taking out a few bottles. I am going to go ahead and start wiping down the counters. I am going to be using the Everspring. It's just multi-purpose cleaner that I get from Target.
chemical. I know it isn't logical. Something that you do to me. I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you.
Okay, so now I just went ahead and rolled the bar cart back together. Now I'm going to place this kickstand back on the counter where it belongs. And here I'm sharing with you guys all of the afters of my nice and cleaned kitchen after breakfast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, if you guys are new over here, don't forget to click that subscribe button, and I hope to see you all in the next one.